Recently, many manufacturers have launched models that focus on battery life and durability. And this time, Vivo has also brought a new product in its Y series, the Vivo Y500, which is claimed to be a dual champion of battery life and durability. Does it really have new breakthroughs in battery performance and durability? Let's get into the video and take a look. In terms of core configuration, the Vivo Y500 as a model focused on battery life and durability is equipped with the energy-efficient Dimensity 7300 chip. Its performance is sufficient for daily applications and mainstream games. What really sets it apart from other models are several key selling points. First is the battery. It has a built-in 8200 mAh battery, which is the largest capacity among all current Vivo models. In the battery life test, we first tested it according to regular usage scenarios. Browsing Weibo for 30 minutes consumed 2% of the battery, and watching TikTok for 30 minutes also used 2%. It's clear that for these light daily applications, the 8200 mAh battery handles them almost effortlessly. So we decided to increase the difficulty and had it continuously play online videos. After 6 hours, it consumed a total of 21% of the battery. Extrapolating from this consumption rate, playing videos continuously for a whole day is not a problem. Simply put, this is a battery that is both large and durable, which can minimize battery anxiety to the greatest extent. Since the battery life is so powerful, the charging speed can't be lacking either. With the 90-watt Anson long-range flash charge, it can charge from 20% to 47% in 15 minutes in super fast mode. It only takes 65 minutes to charge from 0% to 100%. Although 65 minutes sounds a bit long, it's a big battery after all. Besides the battery, the speaker performance of the Y500 this time is also quite impressive. At the same time, has obtained high-res audio and high-res audio wireless dual certifications. In addition to battery life and audio, the durability of the Y500 is also a major highlight. It adopts a diamond rock structure and is claimed to be fully waterproof and extra drop resistant. The Y500 has passed the SGS 5-star overall drop resistance certification. Not only that, it also uses a motherboard cushioning structure and thickened anti-collision material inside, which is like putting a layer of armor on the phone to protect its internal precision components in all directions. Moreover, it supports IP68, 69, and 69K full waterproofing. Even if you accidentally drop your phone in water, you don't have to worry. And it's even more fearless in the rain. You can even take pictures underwater without any problems. Speaking of camera, the Y500 is equipped with a 50-megapixel ultra-clear main camera, which produces clear and detailed images. It also supports various AI algorithms and live photos. Let's take a look at the sample photos. The daytime pictures are clear, and when zoomed in 3x, the edges of the buildings are still sharp and clear. The Vivo Y500 supports one-click data transfer. WeChat chat history, pictures, and videos will not be lost. The cache records of third-party apps will not be lost either. At the same time, it can also prevent malicious software installation and pop-ups, and will promptly alert you of fraudulent calls. Wi-Fi positioning and NGSS triple positioning are more accurate. Network acceleration and hands-free answering functions are also very practical. Finally, let's take a look at the appearance. The design of the Vivo Y500 this time follows a simple style. The one I have in my hand is the Dragon Crystal purple color. It has a very stylish feel in daily use. The entire body is matte finished, which feels very comfortable to the touch. The back and frame are not prone to fingerprints and are relatively resistant to dirt. On the front is a classic 2392 by 1080 flat screen, which supports a 120Hz refresh rate. In addition, the double-layer starry ring design on the back of the phone is also very recognizable. So in the core aspects of battery life and durability, the Vivo Y500 has shown solid strength, truly living up to its positioning as a dual champion of battery life and durability. So if you happen to need a phone that can withstand long-term use and handle various unexpected situations, then this Y500 is worth paying attention to. Alright, so that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.